Cute Little Games Part 4. If you go to this website, you will be directed to deep.io, a fun and competitive tank battle game you can play online. You control a small tank in a big arena. By destroying ships and other players, you earn points and level up. Each time you level up, you can upgrade your tank's stats like speed, bullet power, or health. At higher levels, you can even evolve into new tanks classes with special abilities. The goal is grow stronger, survive, and dominate the battlefield. Use the keyboard to move, aim with your mouse, and fire at the right time to take down enemies.